In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Prezi private step by step. Now before we begin, there's one important thing to know. Only paid plan users can make a presentation private in Prezi. By default, presentations are set to public, so if you're on a free plan, you may not see the privacy option available. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Prezi account and go to your dashboard. Once you're there, look through your list of presentations and click on the presentation that you want to make private. This will open the project so you can manage its settings. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, click on Share. This is where Prezi keeps the sharing and access controls for your presentation. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear with different options related to sharing and visibility. Inside that pop-up, look for Document Settings. This section controls how your presentation is viewed and shared with other people. Once you find it, you should see the public option turned on by default because Prezi normally makes presentations visible unless you change the setting. Now all you need to do is turn off the public option. As soon as you disable it, your presentation will no longer be publicly accessible. That means only people you choose to share it with will be able to view it, depending on the permissions available on your plan. After you switch that setting off, take a moment to double check that the change was applied properly. If needed, close the pop-up and confirm that your presentation is no longer marked as public. That's the key step that makes your Prezi private. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a Prezi private in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more Prezi tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.